A. The report will have been completed by the team by the end of the week. B. The report will be completed by the team by the end of the week. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, will have been completed. This sentence uses the future perfect passive voice, indicating an action that will be finished at a specific time in the future. Will be completed is simple future passive, which does not specify the completion time as precisely. A. The new policy was discussed by the board in the last meeting. B. The new policy is discussed by the board in the last meeting. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, was discussed. This sentence uses the past simple passive voice, indicating an action done in the past. Is discussed is present simple passive, which is incorrect because the sentence refers to a past event. A. All the documents should be reviewed before the audit begins. B. All the documents should review before the audit begins. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, should be reviewed. This sentence uses the modal verb should followed by be plus past participle, forming a passive voice construction to express a recommendation or obligation for the future. Should review is active voice, which doesn't fit the passive structure required here. A. The project proposal is being reviewed as we speak. B. The project proposal reviews as we speak. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is being reviewed. This sentence uses the present continuous passive voice, indicating an action that is currently happening. Reviews is active voice and does not fit the passive voice structure needed for the context of the sentence. A. The contract was signed by both parties yesterday. B. The contract signed by both parties yesterday. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, was signed. This sentence uses the past simple passive voice, indicating that the action was completed in the past by an unspecified agent. Signed, without was, is an active form and does not convey the passive action performed on the subject. A. By next month, the new office building will be renovated completely. B. By next month, the new office building will renovate completely. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, will be renovated. This sentence uses the future simple passive voice, suggesting an action that will be completed in the future. Will renovate is the active voice and does not correctly represent the passive action on the subject. A. The instructions were explained clearly to all participants at the beginning of the study. B. The instructions explained clearly to all participants at the beginning of the study. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, were explained. This sentence uses the past simple passive voice, indicating that the action was done in the past and the focus is on the action being received by the subject. Explained, without were is the active form and does not fit the passive construction needed. A. Every complaint is taken seriously by our customer service team. B. Every complaint takes seriously by our customer service team. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is taken. This sentence uses the present simple passive voice, indicating a habitual action affecting the subject. Takes is active voice and incorrect because the subject is not performing the action. A. The broken window will have been fixed by the maintenance team by tomorrow afternoon. B. The broken window will fix by the maintenance team by tomorrow afternoon. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, will have been fixed. This uses the future perfect passive voice, indicating that an action will be completed before a certain time in the future. will fix is active voice and does not convey the passive action intended for the subject. A. The results of the survey will be published in the next company newsletter. B. The results of the survey will publish in the next company newsletter. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, will be published. This sentence uses the future simple passive voice, indicating that the action will be done to the subject in the future. Will publish is the active voice, which does not fit the structure of a passive voice sentence. A. The meeting has been postponed until 10 a.m. tomorrow. B. The meeting postpones until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, has been postponed. This sentence uses the present perfect passive voice, indicating an action that has been done at an unspecified time before now. Postpones is active voice and does not provide the correct passive structure. A. The email was sent to all employees by HR last Friday. B. The email sent to all employees by HR last Friday. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is, was sent. This sentence uses the past simple passive voice, focusing on the action that was performed on the subject in the past. Sent, without was, represents an active form and misses the passive construction required.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.